So a Jamaican man wanted to get into the Olympic Games and he never had a ticket. So him come with a roll of barbed wire. And when him reach the gate, the man say, "What's your sport?" Him say, "Fencing." Anyway, fencing is a dynamic sport that challenges both the body and the mind. And in this segment, I'll be receiving a hands-on introduction to the basics of fencing and to help us understand the fundamentals of the sport and guide us through the training. And who better to tell us than Johnathan Matthews, who is a coach. Morning, Bridget, how are you?
Morning, sir. I'm good. How are you?
I can't complain, give thanks. How did you get involved in fencing in the first place?
Wow, that's an interesting story. I was just randomly placed as a coach at actually EduTech summer camp. So I was just randomly put into fencing. I was assistant coach to the head coach that we have here, Kurt Schmick.
And that is before you even started it?
That's before I started doing any fencing at all.
So what you tell the people them? Johnathan, what kind of man is that? So they just say, go.
That's what I thought too. I thought it was pretty crazy, but I mean, we had the head coach, so I was just helping.
So we have an association, a federation?
Yeah, we have a fencing federation. It was established in 2010 by James Adolphus.
Yeah, how many people would be involved in fencing in Jamaica?
James McBean, sorry. James McBean.
Yeah.
Could you repeat?
How many people would be involved in fencing in Jamaica?
How many people have been involved?
No, I mean, like what the
right
association,
now, the numbers?
Yeah, is that big, plenty of people do fencing in Jamaica?
Well, actually, we've been on a steady incline since COVID. COVID was actually pretty good for us. So we've been a lot more consistent since then.
Yeah.
And we have a good number of fencers. I'd say maybe 15 or so.
So people do Pilates, people run the jog, and they have health benefits and all of that. What is the benefit of being a fencer? Is that what you say it, a fencer?
A fencer, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Well, I mean, the usual benefits you get from any sport, really, just the active nature of it, the heart, cardiovascular, all that stuff. But also, fencing is seen, or it's called actually chess with swords. So it's really good for your mental acuity.
Because you have to kind of use your head. I know in international competition, you're hooked up to a machine, and whenever the person touches you, the machine goes off.
Yeah.
Is that how it goes? And by the way, folks, it's blunt. This is not sharp. It's not going to kill nobody. So you can see a little, what do you call it?
Well, these are practice blades. So these have a little tip on it that's going to prevent it from hurting.
But the regular blades don't?
They're not sharp either, but there's a little, it's metal at the top. So it's a little
What do you call it,
button.
an épée?
You have three weapons, really. So you have épée, as you said. This right here is a foil. This is the
So this is a foil.
one. And then you have a saber as well.
What is the difference with the épée and this?
The difference between this one and an épée. Épée is seen as the purest form of the sport. How that works is it's the entire body is the target. And you're using, as with the foil, you're using just the tip. So anywhere would count as a point. So if I touch your toe, that would be a point.
But like in the Olympics, it has to be like on the torso or anywhere?
No, so that's exactly. So that's the difference. The difference is for foil, the target area would be the torso. Mm-hmm. For épée, it's everywhere, and for saber, it's just from the waist up. Okay,
but you're padded, right? So no one will get hurt in this, will it? Oh, look like somebody can get hurt.
When you're actually competing, it's very, very safe, because you know that you're going to be getting hit, and you make sure you put on as much protection as you can.
So this is not really like a sword fight. This is not that we're talking about, or yes?
It's definitely a sword fight, it's just not to the death.
Okay. First thing we have to do is learn how to put on or something.
You can just, it's not over your head like that. Start. Yep.
Johnathan, I have to tell you something that I didn't tell you before.
Sure.
D'Artagnan, them used to call me.
All right.
They're a sword fighter. All right, so there's a stance when you start.
Yes, so it's called the on-guard position.
So the on-guard position is one foot a bit out.
You're making an L with your feet.
Right, and you kind of...
Yeah, and then you would step forward. No, not bad.
Not bad?
Not bad. Yeah, you just keep your heels in line.
Yeah.
And you step forward with the front foot. Yeah. And we just,
something like that?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Virgin, put on the thing, make a done, you know, man.
Oh, you're eager, so. All right.
Come here, done you. And when you on-guard, you have to touch the hold on, man, you look like you're serious a while ago.
My apologies.
So when you start, you have to touch blades and stuff, or
no? No. Actually, when you're starting, you're going to be a good distance away from the other person. There's a 4-meter distance between people.
Okay.
And then from there now, it's just going to be on guard. We're both on guard.
Yeah. Take off your helmet. Take off your helmet. Yeah.
Not hearing me?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're starting 4 meters apart, and from the what we call the on guard line.
Okay.
And then from there now, that's when the ref would say, on guard, pray, alley.
But the other reason I didn't want you to put that there because I will touch you right in your forehead and say,
Please don't.
yeah, bad boy.
No,
all right, and then
make
what?
up work hard on this.
And then what? So what would be the first thing you're telling me after the stance? So I kind of have the stance, right? No, we don't look so bad.
That's pretty good.
All right, and then what?
So for now, I just want to give you a very basic lesson. Just teach you the movements first and then the attacks. So
All right, do I just watch you first?
no, I want you to see, right now you're going to be going on guard.
On guard.
When we're moving forward,
Yeah.
in fencing, you're on a piece. It's just a strip. So you're only going forward and backwards. There's no side movement really.
Oh.
So when we're going forward now, it's going to be front foot first. We're going to land on the heel. So we're here, land on the
So
heel.
kind of shuffle leg?
Yeah, kind of.
So kind of...
Yeah. Well, you start with the front foot when we're going forward. Start with the back foot when we're going backward.
All right, let's go. Let's go. On guard.
On guard. Yeah.
Well, I know.
So?
You're right, you will.
Huh?
You're right, you will yet.
Not quite.
All right, let's go.
So here now, I want you to take one step forward, and then you're just going to extend the blade straight into my chest. You're going to hold your wrist a little bit above your shoulder. Right.
So?
Yep. That's it.
So you done already, you know you. Right.
So on guard.
On guard.
On guard is, yeah, right there. Elbow bent.
Yeah.
So right here. I want you to take one step, then extend right into the chest. When you see the open target. So when I pull away from the blade, you're just going to come to attack, right?
All right.
Ready? Go. I mean, thank you for being so gentle, but you can attack me.
You don't want her to use. All right, on guard.
Ready, and go. Press it in, man. Press it in, press it in. I'm good. Ready, I'm good.
Right.
Ready, and go. All the way up. Wrist over the shoulder.
All right. Apparently we're out of time, so come.
You're trying to attack. All right, so we got open target.
What? I thought that you would have been a little more aggressive.
Wouldn't let me, man.
But
I'm not an aggressive person.
anyway,
You're
that
supposed to
was
pull.
fencing coach, ladies and gentlemen, Johnathan Matthews of the Kingston Fencing Club. You did good.
I did
You did
great.
very good. You did very good.